Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial. Today we're learning how to integrate BlogHandy into Leadpages in order to add a beautiful looking and an SEO optimized blog to your Leadpages landing page or site. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, a simple way to add a blog to any website. Let's get started right away. So let me go into my Leadpages account. And I've already created a new site. Let me click here. And it's just a simple site. I used one of their templates. So what I've done, I just created a blog page and I just have an empty page right now. So I've got my nav bar at the top. I have my footer at the bottom. And in the middle, I just have an empty section. And let me click on widgets. And go all the way down here. You might have to click on show more if you can't see more, and go right to the bottom where it says HTML and just drag and drop it here right in the middle. Great. Let me close this. And now this is our HTML blog, and just click on it. And here is where we can put our code. So let me go to BlogHandy. Under Getting Started and Code Snippet, let's just copy the step 1 code, go back to Leadpages and drop it here, and go back to BlogHandy, copy the step 2 code and go back to Leadpages, copy it here, click on save, and let's just close this. Let's just click here and publish the page. Okay, set the domain, okay, save, publish. Perfect, our site is published. Let's click on it. Click on blog. And there you have it, our blog is loading. There's one more step we have to do. We have to take the URL, go to BlogHandy, click on settings and copy that URL in the blog URL section and just click on save. Okay. Now it's fully integrated and you can change your blog layout if you want. Let's change it to something more colorful. Just click on layout and design under the settings page. And let's say we want the modern grid. And that's a beautiful thing about BlogHandy. It instantly will update your Leadpages page and it's done. Now you have this beautiful design here and you can click on it and it opens your blog post. Thanks a lot for listening. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you've got any questions regarding Leadpages or any other website builder or landing page builder and how it integrates with BlogHandy, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments below. Bye bye and happy blogging.